1. Where's 1? Where does it go? Now, where's the 1 shape? Can you see it? That's 1 shape. Now, where does it go? 1. What's next? 2. Now, where does 2 go? 2 goes there. Now, where are the 2 shapes? Can you see them? There they are. 1, 2. 2 shapes. Now, where do they go? Can you see? 1, 2. 2 shapes. What's next? 1, 2, 3. It's the number 3. 3. Now, where does 3 go? Can you see? Number 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you see the 3 shapes? There they are. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes. So, where does the number 3 shapes go? Can you see? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes. What's next? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and what's next? 4. 4's next. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So where does 4 go? Can you see? 4 goes after 3, 4. So where's the 4 shapes? Can you see where they are? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, where do the 4 shapes go? Can you see where they go? Let's find out. So the 4 shapes go over there, next to the number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? The number after 4 is 5. That's right. So 5. Where does that go now? It goes after the number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where's the 5 shapes? This should be very easy. They're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this should be really, really easy for you. Where do the 5 shapes go? This should be very easy. So the 5 shapes go over there on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you next time.